How was Copernican data collected without modern tools? Imagine trying to figure out the universe with only simple tools and your own eyes. That's exactly what Nicholas Copernicus did in the early 1500s to challenge old ideas about the cosmos. Back then, telescopes and digital gadgets didn't exist, so he relied on basic instruments and careful observation. Copernicus worked from his home in Frombork, a small town in what is now Poland, where he set up his measuring devices. His main tools included a quadrant, which was like a quarter-circle protractor used to measure the height of the sun or stars above the horizon. He also used a triquetrum, a device made of 3 wooden rods connected by hinges, to measure angles between celestial objects and the vertical line. This helped him determine how far objects were from the zenith or the point directly overhead. Another important instrument was the armillary sphere, a model of the sky with rings representing the sun's path, the equator, and other celestial circles. It helped him visualize the positions of planets and stars relative to Earth. Copernicus also used a sundial to track the sun's shadow throughout the year. By noting where the shadow was longest or shortest, he could identify key dates like the equinoxes. These observations were often made from a tower or a small structure outside his house, where he could see the sky clearly. Over many years, between 1513 and 1543, he recorded more than 60 measurements of planetary positions. He focused on angles and positions, not distances, because measuring how far planets were from Earth was impossible with his tools. Instead, he carefully noted how planets moved against the background of fixed stars. These measurements helped him develop his heliocentric model, which placed the sun near the center of the universe instead of Earth. His methods show how early scientists used patience, precision, and simple devices to gather data. This was a big shift from relying solely on philosophical ideas to using actual observations. It also marked a turning point in European culture and science, moving toward a more empirical way of understanding the universe. Copernicus' work laid the foundation for future astronomers like Galileo and Johannes Kepler, who would improve on his methods with better instruments and more precise data.